My wife accidentally bought a Peppa Pig book in Scots and it's infinitely superior to the original English. Here we go, let's read a bit of it. "Do you think maybe it's Susie's turn noo, Peppa?" asked Daddy Pig. "Aye," said Peppa. "On then, Susie, you can have a wee shotty on Cuddy McTwinkletaes." "I dinna want to play at Cuddy's butt," said Susie. "I want to play at unicorns." Peppa thought for a minute. "Well, Cuddy McTwinkletaes is a magic cuddy," she said. "She can turn into a unicorn whenever she wants to." "Oh," said Susie. "All right." "Noo we can fly awa' up to the sky on our unicorn," cheered Peppa. "But a unicorn has a horn for you to hold on to when you fly," said Susie. "Cuddy McTwinkletaes doesn't have a horn." "Och," said Peppa, "dinna worry. She flees that saftly you dinna even have to hold on." Peppa and Susie each had shots flying around the room. "I wish Cuddy McTwinkletaes was a real unicorn," said Susie. "And I wish she was awfy sparkly," added Peppa. "I think Cuddy McTwinkletaes is just about shattered," said Daddy Pig. "Maybe you could build her a wee den to sleep in." "Ya beauty!" cheered Peppa and Susie. Can I just say, I think it's absolutely class that Wayne's grown up now he books in Scots and books translated into Scots and their favourite characters speaking in Scots, because when I was wee all my bedtime stories were in Scots, but it wasn't written down, it was just stuff that my nanny had in her head. So I think that that's absolutely phenomenal, and I hope many more books get both translated and written into Scots.